Is your laptop suddenly freezing? Apps opening really slow? And Task Manager showing disk usage at 100%? Yeah, this is one of the most common Windows problems. In this guide, I'll show you simple step-by-step fixes to bring your PC back to normal speed. First, open Task Manager using Control, Shift, and Escape. Then click the disk column to see which app is using the most resources. Too many startup apps can overload your drive. Go to the Startup tab and disable apps you don't really need. Now we'll disable the SysMain service, which sometimes causes high disk usage, especially on older hard drives. Open Services, find SysMain, double-click it, stop the service, and set Startup Type to Disabled. Windows search indexing can also push disk usage too high. Let's stop it temporarily and test performance. Next, scan your drive for errors. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type this command, press Enter, and restart your PC if prompted. Now check for corrupted system files using the System File Checker tool. Outdated storage drivers can cause constant disk activity. Open Device Manager and update disk drives and storage controllers. If you're still seeing 100% usage on a hard drive, upgrading to an SSD is honestly the biggest performance improvement you can make. And that's it. After these steps, disk usage should drop and your system should feel much smoother. Save this guide in case the problem comes back. And yeah, happy computing.